Next is the NFC transmission. Enter settings of the phone first to turn on NFC. Then open the mobile app to turn on NFC. 2. Leaning the phone towards the top of the device to connect. You will see the device's main screen has been projected to the phone. That's when you can take pictures or record videos on mobile software and analyze the real-time interface. In addition, you can also view the pictures on the device. Click on the gallery on the left. Then click Device Photo to see all the pictures on the device displayed in the phone's album. Pictures can be downloaded individually or in bulk to be analyzed on the phone.